Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you activate your new Bank of America credit card. In order to activate your new Bank of America credit card instantly through a mobile app, what you could do is you can open the Bank of America app onto your device and log into your account, after which from the home page you could simply go to the card or new card account and select activate options. Then you have to follow the prompt in order to activate your account or your credit card, and you could also set a pin and all that stuff, and this way you're supposed to activate your Bank of America's credit card using your mobile app. If you don't want to go with that lengthy procedure, or if you don't have an online banking account, you could also do this by going to your browser. You open up any browser that you have on your device, type in Bank of America activate or the Bank of America credit card. And once you do this, you will be able to find all these options. So first thing, you could go ahead and type in Bank of America activate card. You could find the first link that pops up. You tap open the link, and after which you just want to make sure to log into your account and follow the prompt, and this way you're supposed to activate your new Bank of America credit card. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.